Spokesperson for some of the affected landlords in Evbuoriaria Layout Block D off Sapele Road, Benin, Mr. Monday Iyabo, said the action of the claimant, Mr. Abbas Imasuen, was unnecessary as the case is already in the appeal court. He said landlords in the area were surprised when served 7-day notice on 5th of May 2021.
I'm here in respect of the notice they placed in our houses in Evbuoriaria Layout. So we are surprised to see such notice. We are already in the court of appeal. Our lawyers have gone there to file a case against that judgment in the court of appeal. Even their lawyer is aware that the case is already in the court of appeal. We have filed a stay of execution also in the court of appeal. We were not surprised to see them still move and coming there to come and tell us that they gave us 7 days. They will come and demolish our houses.
Other landlords in the case in Evbuoriaria Layout who corroborated their spokesperson said notice were also served on landlords in area not in dispute as claimed by Abbas Imasuen.
He went over and above those who were not included in the case he filed and which he said he won, the placing notices on their properties. And these people were not part of the case he filed. So that is a great surprise to us.
The greatest surprise that I just want to emphasize is that the man was contesting for 400 feet by 1,000. At the time he came now to play these notices, he went beyond 1,000 by 1,000. A lot of houses, more than 75% of the houses that are not included in his so-called judgment he pasted notices on all of them. In fact, nearly all the whole of that layout. Is very surprising to us.
In his reaction, Counsel to the affected landlords in Evbuoriaria Layout, Barrister Dayo Aimofume, said though his clients were not aware that Abbas Imasuen had obtained judgment from court, but were briefed and have appealed the judgment at the Court of Appeal.
We also now filed the necessary application to the Court of Appeal, Benin Division, asking the court to enlarge time for us to appeal because the default judgment entered. We were not in the know when it was so delivered. And the court, having looked at our application, talking about the Court of Appeal now, graciously granted our application and gave us the leave to file our notice of appeal, which we filed and served on the other party, who is the judgment creditor. And we did not stop there. We also filed a motion for stay of execution of that judgment before the Court of Appeal. And the judgment creditor also received that motion for stay and they filed their counter affidavit. We were all in court.
Ikponmwosa Ugiagbe reporting.